Since 1998, KIET has been carrying forward a strong academic legacy, progressing steadily for nearly 3 decades through excellence in education, technical innovation, and skill-focused learning. Its NAAC A+ accreditation, NBA accredited programs, presence in prestigious NIRF and IIRF rankings, and QS iGauge Diamond rating is the testimony to KIET's commitment to quality education and its reputation as a trusted institution. Built on these academic standards and continuous progress, KIET has achieved a significant milestone from an institution to achieving the status of deemed to be university. Today, KIET offers nearly 30+ programs in the fields of engineering, computing, management, and pharmacy. These programs are a perfect amalgamation of strong traditional teaching learning practices and the evolving trends shaping the global academic and professional landscape. Today, KIET nurtures a vibrant community of more than 10,000+ students, over 26,000+ alumni, and 450+ excellent and experienced faculty members, including a large number of PhD qualified academicians. The objective is not just to prepare students for employment, but to nurture young minds who aspire to create opportunities, drive innovation, and shape the future. This motive is further strengthened by KIET's Centers of Excellence, where technology is not merely taught, but experienced, explored, and transformed into innovation by our students through hands-on learning. The Center for Automotive Mechatronics, developed in collaboration with Mercedes-Benz India, connects students with modern vehicle technology. Here, students understand the mechanical, electrical, and electronic systems of vehicles through practical learning. At the Center for Advanced Woodworking, developed in collaboration with BSA India, students get practical learning in design, machines, and manufacturing. At the Space Center, associated with ISRO, Honorable Union Minister of Science and Technology, Dr. Jitendra Singh Ji, and Honorable Electronics Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Shri Sunil Sharma Ji, observed various projects developed by KIET students. They appreciated the efforts of the students and encouraged them to move ahead with confidence. At the Center for Cybersecurity, powered by Wipro Limited India, students learn network security, ethical hacking, threat detection, and digital safety through practical exposure. KIET Center for Robotics teaches students how to build robots, understand sensors, and program machines. Robotics projects like Anushka were presented before the Honorable Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Shri Yogi Adityanath Ji, reflecting the innovation and technical strength of KIET students. The Center for Supercomputing, supported by NVIDIA, gives students an exposure to artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data, and high-speed computing to connect them with the technologies that are shaping the future. The Center for Power and Energy Systems, developed in collaboration with Tata Power DDL Delhi, provides students with a practical understanding of electricity, energy, smart grids, and clean energy. The Center for E-Mobility and Electric Vehicle, developed in collaboration with L&T EduTech, teaches students the practical side of electric mobility. At the Apple-enabled Center of Excellence, students learn to create digital solutions through coding, design thinking, and app development. The AI Skills Lab, developed in collaboration with HP and Intel, gives students practical understanding of artificial intelligence, data, and machine learning, which help them build skills for the growing world of AI-based technology. KIET has also introduced the Center of Excellence for Quantum Computing, developed in collaboration with IBM and CDEC Delhi. Here, students get exposure to quantum concepts, advanced computing, and next-generation problem-solving through platforms like Qiskit and Quniverse, which help them understand technologies beyond classical computing systems. The Center of Excellence for Industrial Motion, established in collaboration with Festo, gives students practical exposure to industrial automation, advanced manufacturing, and Industry 4.0 technologies. Here, students learn pneumatics, sensors, automation systems, and industrial control through hands-on training for modern smart manufacturing environments. Continuing its pursuit of innovation, ideation, and creation, KIET's latest initiative is the inception of the AICTE Idea Lab. Here, students receive the right direction for practical learning. They learn to convert the concepts of science, technology, and engineering into actual prototypes through modern tools and hands-on experience. Through SAE India Collegiate Club, students design and fabricate vehicles along with proving their mettle in the national and international competitions. This gives them the confidence to apply their learning beyond the classroom. KIET's team Interstellars brought pride to India by winning the NASA AIAA Neil Armstrong Best Design Award in Alabama, USA. For this proud achievement, KIET students were honored by the then Honorable President of India. KIET's vision goes beyond preparing students merely for employment. Its broader purpose is to nurture technically skilled youth capable of contributing towards a developed nation. Taking this vision forward is the Technology Business Incubator TBI KIET, supported by the Department of Science and Technology. It provides the right platform and direction for transforming ideas into innovation, entrepreneurship, and successful startups. At TBI KIET, young innovators receive mentorship, expert guidance, and complete support to transform their ideas into successful startups. Selected startups at TBI KIET may receive grants ranging from Rs 10 lakh to 50 lakh based on the recommendation of an expert evaluation committee. From time to time, many respected personalities from across the country have been visiting KIET to guide and inspire students. Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh Sarsanghchalak Shri Mohan Bhagwat Ji, Honorable Defence Minister Shri Rajnath Singh Ji, Honorable Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh Shri Yogi Adityanath Ji, Honorable Union Minister of Science and Technology, Earth Sciences and Space Dr. Jitendra Singh Ji, Member of Parliament and former Union Minister Shri Ravi Shankar Prasad Ji, former Governor of Uttar Pradesh Shri Ram Naik Ji, founder of Z Group Dr. Subhash Chandra Ji, Wing Commander 𝗵𝗂𝗂𝗀 Singh Ji, and former diplomat Dr. Deepak Vohra Ji have inspired KIET students to think big and contribute to nation building. KIET provides separate, safe and well-managed hostel facilities for both boys and girls, ensuring a secure and comfortable residential environment. The KIET Knowledge Resource Center, with more than 1,90,000 books, journals and digital resources, gives students a strong environment for study, research and self-learning. The mess and canteen offer a variety of cuisine, making campus life comfortable and memorable. The cultural aspect of KIET has always added many special memories to student life. Performances by artists like Hardy Sandhu, Neha Kakkar, Zubin Nautiyal and Darshan Rawal have made the campus experience even more special for students. Sports are also strongly encouraged at KIET. Facilities for cricket, football, volleyball, lawn tennis, basketball, sports shooting, gymnasium and indoor games help students build discipline, focus and team spirit. Along with academics and sports, student-led clubs and societies are an integral part of campus life at KIET. Clubs like 𝗬𝗏𝗃, InnoGeeks, Creative Cell, NCC, 𝗬𝗏𝗃𝗀, Kavyanjali and Vipaksh connect students with leadership, teamwork, creativity and social responsibility. With 2,100 plus recruiters and companies including Infosys, TCS, Accenture, Amazon and Microsoft, KIET gives students strong career opportunities. With international placement packages reaching up to 1.78 crore, KIET students gain access to global career opportunities and world-class professional pathways. KIET, where skills, exposure and opportunities come together to shape the future.